Hey fitness friends, you need a quick high intensity workout that is apartment friendly or maybe sleeping baby friendly, and you don't have a lot of space. So today we are going to do that quick high intensity workout that's going to work all the major muscle groups in just 20 minutes, and we can do it all very quietly. So grab a mat and some water and let's get started. So each of these exercises is going to be for 45 seconds. That means that you go at your own pace. You just want to challenge yourself. You want to be doing as many reps as you can with the best form that you can. That's the most important part. We'll take a 15-second rest where I will introduce the next exercise. Today we're going to start with a squat pulse to a lift on our toes. Now, as you do this, pay attention to that form. So keeping that chest open, all the weight is in your heels. You should be able to wiggle your toes. We pulse 1, 2, 3. Yes, squeezing those glutes, that booty. The next exercise is going to be a bowler with a tap in. So I'm going to get really low, really deep, sitting back into the heel of this front leg, and then I'm going to tap in and tap up. So I go down, I tap in, I tap up. Here we go. Bowler, tap in, and then tap up. And as I do that, oh, my core is so tight. I'm stepping all the way over and back, so I'm getting really low in this front leg. Exhale. Good. Tap in and lift.
Switch. Switch.
Nice job. Next exercise is the other side. So now I'm going to sit back into this leg, pressing into this heel. So I'm not reaching forward. I'm not leaning forward. I'm sitting back and crossing that leg over. Ready? Let's go. Tap it back, tap in, and then up. So you're using this powerhouse, this front leg, and pushing up. So we tap in, there's your balance, and push up. While you take your rest, I'll show you the next one. Here we're going into inchworm. I'm gonna reach up really tall, fold in half, walk out, find your plank. Are you ready? Woo! Let's go. Inchworms, take those arms up. You can fold in half or you can squat down, strong plank, and then all the way back. You're taking these little steps with your hands. And how I like this, I have a tendency to lead with my right. So I'm gonna make sure every other time I lead left. We take it down. Hold that plank, walk it back, and lift. If you want to, you could add a little lift on those toes. Nice job. Grab a drink, take your rest, on to the next exercise. Piston squats. I squat back. I'm gonna take my right leg, extend it out and squeeze through my quad, really lifting the toe. Step it back to my squat and into my back lunge, my rear lunge. Same leg. Piston squat, one side. Squat down. I'm taking it to my right, squat, and back. Now I'm not going any higher than wherever I am in my squat. All the weight's in the heels. Belly stays tight, chest stays lifted. You can keep the heel on the ground, or you can pick it up. Woo, good work. Those legs feel good, right? We're gonna do the other side. Let's go. I lead with my left leg. Keep the heel down or lift it. Whatever your level, whatever is challenging for you. Right here, as I lift that leg or I extend the leg, I'm squeezing those abdominal muscles. Keep going. Nice job. 2 more exercises and that'll be round 1. Let's take it down to the ground for this one. You can start in your adapted plank, but remember in plank your belly is tight. I'm going to press back, down dog, tap one hand to my opposite foot and right back to either my plank or my adapted plank. Holding that strong plank into your down dog with a tap. You want to feel the stretch in your triceps, the undersides of your arms. This is also a lot for abdominals. And then we get this nice stretch through the back of our legs. Last one for this round, let's flip it over onto our back. So for this one, we're gonna press our middle back into the mat, tuck our tailbone just a little bit, bring the knees in with the feet together for a reverse crunch, and then extend out to our hollow hold. Here we go, tuck it in. Exhale, and hold. Hold, really tuck those knees into the chest. Fully extend the legs. And you can keep your head on the mat, but we want to focus on keeping that tailbone tucked up. Awesome job. That was round 1. Let's take a little bit longer break, 30 seconds, grab a drink, and we'll do it all one more time. Round 2, we do that same series of exercises, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Little less introduction here, we're gonna get to work. Let's go, 3 pulses, 1, 2, 3. You can roll up on the toes if you want. Yes, Using that core, keeping it tight like a fist, pushing back into those glutes. Here we're working core, glutes, hamstrings, quads, and then calves when we lift up. Yes. All right, 15-second rest. And we take it to those boulders with the tap in and then tap all the way up. Start with our right leg. Here we go. Bowler, tap back, tap in, and then tap up. Now when I tap up, I'm gonna work on my balance here. So I'm just gonna do a little tap, just maybe the big toe. Let's go. Tap in. Nice job, 15-second rest. We're gonna do it over to the other side. Let's go, left leg. Big bowler, little tap, extend, and then just that big toe. So we're really balancing on that right leg. And you can do whatever you want with your arms. This is what works for me. Yours might be different. Woo, good work. Those legs feel good, right? We're gonna do the other side. Let's go, I lead with my left leg. Keep the heel down or lift it. Whatever your level, whatever is challenging for you. Right here, as I lift that leg or I extend the leg, I'm squeezing those abdominal muscles. Keep going. All right, we're on to those inchworms. Back of our mats, stand up really tall. Here we go. Arms reach up, either fold in half or crouch down into our plank and walk it back. You can lift up on those toes if you want. Yes. Is your heart pumping? Are you starting to sweat a little bit? Whew! It feels good, right? When we're done with this video, I want you to comment down below and tell me which of these exercises made you feel that much stronger. Holding that strong plank into your down dog with a tap. You want to feel the stretch in your triceps, the undersides of your arms. This is also a lot for abdominals. And then we get this nice stretch through the back of our legs. Last one for this round, let's flip it over onto our backs. So for this one, we're gonna press our middle back into the mat, tuck our tailbone just a little bit, bring the knees in with the feet together for a reverse crunch, and then extend out to our hollow hold. Here we go, tuck it in. Exhale, and hold. Hold, really tuck those knees into the chest. Fully extend the legs. And you can keep your head on the mat, but we want to focus on keeping that tailbone tucked up. Here we go. Tuck it in. Exhale. And hold. Hold. Really tuck those knees into the chest. Fully extend the legs. And you can keep your head on the mat. Extend the legs one more time. And then draw it in. Nice job. That's round 2, my friends. You did it. You did amazing. I'm so glad you were here to work out with me today in this very quiet, very quick, and efficient, apartment-friendly, full-body workout. If you want to see more workouts just like this, you can subscribe and you can look at this playlist. And I hope to see you in many more workouts. Thank you.